Good morning, students. Let's begin our social science class. In continuation of NCRT Economics chapter People as Resources, today's contents impact of unemployment on growth of economy and society also. People are sitting in morning most of the places and they migrate from the remote areas in search of job. This you all have noticed. Effects of unemployment on youth. Unemployment leads to wastage of manpower resources. This is the major impact. People who are an asset for the economy turn into liability. In case of without job, they are now dependent on countries' wealth. There is a feeling of hopelessness and despair among the youth. Due to unemployment, people now feel depressed. People do not have enough money to support their family. Inability of educated people who are willing to work to find gainful employment implies a great social waste. So all these points consider for the question, how does unemployment affect the youth? Mention any 3 points. So out of 5, any 3 point you can write for the answer, 3 mark. Then impact of unemployment on the society. Unemployment tends to increase economic overload. The quality of life of an individual as well as of society is adversely affected. When a family has to live on a bare subsistence level, there is a general decline in its health status and rising withdrawal from the school system. Impact of unemployment on economy. Unemployment has detrimental impact on the overall growth of an economy. Increase in unemployment is an indicator of depressed economy because people are not having job and they are not contributing in GDP of the country. It is also waste the resource which could have been can fully employed. If people cannot be used as resource, they naturally appears as liability to the economy. Question related to these impact. Unemployment give birth to various socio-economic problem. Give 5 argument to support this statement. So 3 point of socio impact and 2 point of economic impact. The 5 mark question, so 5 point. The above descriptive paragraph. Existing employment structure in the agricultural sector. Unemployment structure is characterized by self employment in the agriculture sector. Whole family contributes in the field even though everybody is really not in indeed. If 5 members are there all contributing field work, but it is not required. If 2 members remain in field and 3 move out for other job, the agriculture output is same. So there is disguised unemployment in the agriculture sector, but the entire family shares what has been produced. This concept of sharing of work in the field and the produce raised reduces the hardship of unemployment in the rural sector. But this does not reduce the poverty of the family. Gradually, surplus labor from every household tends to migrate from village in search of job. Employment scenario in the three sector. Now we are going to compare three sector where the people work most and how. Agriculture is the most labor absorbing sector in the economy. In recent years, there has been a decline in the dependence of population on agriculture, partially because of disguised unemployment and discussed earlier. Some of the surplus labor in agriculture has moved to either the secondary or tertiary sector. Means people now start moving from agriculture to secondary sector, which is industrial work, and tertiary sector, which is service sector. The secondary sector is a small scale manufacturing, is the most labor absorbing. In case of the tertiary sector, various new services and now appearing like biotechnology, information technology, and so on. Recently, in service sector or tertiary sector, maximum employment opportunity have risen in BPO. BPO means call centers. All the people, those who are educated, now they start working night time in call centers. So that's a major labor absorbing area. All these 3 point question: in which field India can build the maximum employment opportunity? Give your opinion with example. So you are going to explain the agriculture area shifting towards to the tertiary and secondary sector, then you are going to tell the secondary area and then tertiary area. All right, all three above points is the answer of this question. So today I am going to give three answers, three questions to you that you have to do in your copy. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.